Hello everyone! In today's video I will show you how to DIY this 3D artwork for your house. To make this DIY, I got inspired by some original art from Pinterest like this. I love this simple and organic shape of this 3D art, making it look like almost part of the wall. And these are all the tools that I used to complete this project. In my case, I'm going to use two canvases. First, I made a sketch on a paper on a shape that I wanted to recreate, and then I took this shape to the two canvases, helping myself with a measurement tape. I divided one of the canvas into 3 equal parts, while the other into 2 unequal parts. Then I gave them the rounded shapes that I wanted and framed them in a 3 cm thick frame. The canvases that I have used are 40 by 50 cm each because I wanted to take advantage of this old canvas that I have at home and wanted to do something different with them. But if I could buy another canvas, let's say 80 cm by 1 meter, I think the result will be much more spectacular. And of course it also depends on the space where we are going to hang these DIYs. To create this form in relief, I have used all IKEA furniture cardboard, and I think these thick cardboards are ideal to make these bumps very fast. What I did was take the shape of the size from the painting to the cardboard, dry it again, and then cut the silhouette with the cutter. Do this with all the different parts that you want to make, including the outer frame. In my case, it's a frame that is 3 cm from the edge of the painting. I cut the edge of the cardboard so they were not totally perpendicular but had much more organic shape. And now all you need to do is put all your pieces together, secure them with some packaging tape, and once all the pieces are firm in the place, we can move to the second part of the project. The next step is to make the mixture of glue and water. In a bowl or container, put 50% of liquid white glue with 50% of water. Mix everything evenly, and you will use this mixture to dip the small pieces of newspaper that you will have previously cut. Now place the small pieces of wet newspaper all over the painting, being careful not to create bubbles or wrinkles. You can do everything with your hands or with the help of a brush if you like. When you have completely covered the surface of the canvas, allow it to dry entirely. I let it dry for 24 hours and I did the third part of the project the next day. So by now this is how your painting should look. The last step to finish this project is to use this wall repair paste. I will give you the link to the one that I use specifically for this, although you can of course use any other similar to this one. Spread the paste gently over the entire surface of the canvas. You will have to completely cover the newspapers, and the thickness of the layers can be between 1 and 3 millimeters. Don't worry if some points you will have to put 2 coats of this wall pasta to cover the surface entirely. Now is the fun part to experiment with your project. I use this aluminum foil to achieve different types of irregular finishes. For small gaps or holes that may have been created, just use the spatula to have the perfect finish. And this is how our project looks like when it's completely dry. If you prefer a much thinner finish, you can use the sandpaper, but in my case I really wanted this rough finish. We really like how this project turned out. We were going to paint it in a soft tone, but at the end we preferred to leave it in its natural color. Let me know in the comments how do you like this project. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we will see you next time. Bye bye!